everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, coming on back, all that great stuff. So right now the trend is everybody's having a hot girl summer. I mean, it's summertime, I'm a girl, and it's hot outside. I mean, I'm talking triple digits, so that's about as close as I'm getting. But I want to cool down for the rest of the summer, so I'm going to give you some ideas of some drinks you can enjoy for the rest of the summer. So if you want to see what I mean, keep watching. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers, and don't forget to turn on those notifications just so you'll know every time I upload. So enough talking, let's get started. So the first drink we're going to make is a delicious mango lemonade. I have 1 cup of fresh mangoes and I'm going to puree them in my blender. I have 1 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice, a half a cup of honey. I love me some mint, and I used around 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves, but you can use as many as you like. I'm going to use 5 cups of water, but if you want some bubbles, feel free to use some sparkling water. And for a nice cool drink, I'm going to use some ice cubes. This drink is going to be so easy you will not believe it. So in a pitcher, I went ahead and I poured in my fresh lemon juice, and I went ahead and I pureed my mangoes. I just put them in the blender, puree them, and I'm going to go ahead and add those in. Next, I'm ready to add the honey, and make sure the honey is really good. I'm going to go ahead and take a spoon and make sure everything is mixed really well, especially the honey. You want to make sure that's dissolved into the liquid really well. Now I'm ready to pour in the water, and like I said in the beginning, if you want something a little bit more fancier with some bubbles or a little bit of fizz, go ahead and pour in your favorite sparkling water. And at the end, I'm going to toss in some mint leaves and just take a spoon and make sure everything is mixed really well. I love mint. It just gives the lemonade just a whole other level of flavor. So while the mango lemonade is chilling in the refrigerator, let's get started on the next drink. So the next drink I'm going to make, I like to call strawberry Pizazz. And in this drink, I'm going to use 1.5 cups of fresh cut strawberries. And I'm going to use the juice of 1 lemon. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to pour in 1/2 cup of water. And again, to make sure that it's nice and cold, I'm also going to use some ice cubes. And another simple drink, I'm just going to take my blender and toss in the strawberries. And I'm also going to pour in that fresh lemon juice and that 1/2 cup of water. To make sure that it's nice and sweet, I'm going to add the sugar. And at the very end, I'm going to add the ice cubes. I'm going to turn on the blender and make sure that everything breaks down and is mixed really well. And how fast is that? We're all done. So you just take your favorite glass, and I rimmed it with some lemon and I dipped it in some sugar, and you just pour in your drink. And if you love strawberries, this is the perfect drink. So my mango lemonade has been chilling in the refrigerator. I'm just going to toss in some ice cubes and pour it into one of my favorite glasses. And look how amazing that looks, you guys. It looks great, and you won't believe how refreshing it tastes. And that's it, you guys, 2 amazing hot girl summer drinks. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you give these drinks a try, please let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Now before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.